installing Windows 10 on your computer. Okay, so first thing first, you need to know your system requirements. So to check for your system requirement, you need to open my computer or this PC. You click on it and click on properties. Okay, so you need your RAM. You need 2 GB RAM or more for 64 bits and 1 GB RAM for 32 bits. Your processor, you need 1.0 GHz, that's a gigahertz or more for 64 bits. You need at least hard disk 16 GB for 32 bits and 20 GB or more for 64 bits. Okay. The next requirement you should notice is to find out whether your hard disk is on MBR or GPT mode. So guys, I've already taught this one. And also find out your boot or your BIOS setup, whether you are putting it is in legacy mode or UEFI mode. Okay, so guys, let's go straight forward to the installation of Windows 10. You need to, in every machine has its boot menu or boot option. So these are the machines: HP, Dell is F12, HP is F9 or Escape. So each machine, this is ASUS. So you need to find out or press all the options and see which one will be. Okay, so this is so every machine has its boot order and boot menu. So you need to know this requirement. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue. Okay, so you need a flash drive, or you can do your bootable installation on a hard disk. So taking mine for example, the bootable is on an SSD hard disk. You need to restart your machine or switch it off and turn it on again. Turn it on. The boot order or the boot menu is F12 to take you to a BIOS setup. That's a legacy boot. So on the legacy boot, locate USB storage device. So the legacy boot supports the MBR format. Okay, then there's a UEFI boot. Okay, the UEFI boot supports the GPT format. So on your boot manager, press on USB storage device. So there are two ways. You can download or do the creation tool from online by downloading Windows 10 from online and making your creation tool from there, or you can get a setup and use a software called ISO or Rufus to do your installation, bootable installation media. Okay, install now. Note, you need to read every instruction before you continue. So okay, so this one is Windows 10 Pro. Okay, so that is a single, this is not the full package, it's a single setup. So the single setup doesn't give an option. Go ahead and click on custom, install Windows now. So guys, let's pause here. Let me show you something from here. Okay. Okay. I'm showing you the difference between the full package and the single package. So there's it. See, when you download Windows 10 from online, the setup, the full package comes with 4 GB size. So the full package, you have an option to whether choose this Windows 10 Home, this Windows 10 Education, this Windows 10 Pro, this Windows 10 Pro New. Okay, so you get an option when you download the full package. So that's the difference. Okay, on your partition format, click on the partitions and delete, but beware of clicking on the USB partition because the installation media is on it. When you click on it, you lose all your files. Delete. Press OK. Okay, so now we have unallocated space. So we are now going to create a new partition. So you go ahead and 931 GB, so that is 1 TB. By creating the partition, it will give you the full size of the gigabyte into megabyte. So you type 200,000 for your partition. When you need more partition, you click on this unallocated space which have more space, then you type 200,000 megabytes again for more partition. If you don't need any partition, you continue. Okay, say installing Windows. So guys, here relax for the installation to take process. Okay, let's move a little bit faster. Okay, okay guys, so the machine is restarting. Okay, so here you can change the language to install, and you can also change the keyboard layout. But let's go ahead and click on next. Click on install now. Click on next. Installing Windows. So it says Windows needs to restart to continue. So it's going to restart for several times. So this is the second time, I think. Getting device ready. Okay, just a moment. Okay, choose your region. Choose your layout. Okay guys, they connect to the internet. No, I don't have internet. Okay. But it's important when you have internet to connect it to the internet to install all necessary drivers. Click on next. You read the instruction, you follow and click if you like the terms. So you say who is going to use this PC. Okay, write your name. Okay, so that's it. Okay, if you want a password, if you want to put a password on your lock screen, if you don't want, you click on next. And that's it. You confirm your password. Retype the same password. Okay, you go ahead and create security questions. Oh, it says, just in case you forget your password, these are the questions that Microsoft will ask you to get your password or to get a new password. Okay. Okay, let's forward it a little bit. Okay, read the instruction, get help from digital assistance, decline or accept. You have to decline here. Read the instruction, you can put them off, you can put them on. So you follow the instruction if you like it. So we are done. So we are getting everything ready for you. So guys, this is how to install Windows 10 on your computer. So now, once you are done, connect to the internet and update your computer to fix all security issues and get all the necessary features. Okay. Your computer will not function well if you don't update, or if you don't, when you are installing it, you skip the internet option to download the necessary drivers. Your computer will not get all the necessary features. So you need to update it, or during the installation, connect to the internet and get all the necessary drivers. Or after installation, you can go connect to the internet and go and download your drivers separately. Okay, so that's it. We are done with Windows installation. That's the password I put it on. Okay, so guys, thank you. Okay, so there's a partition I did. Okay, that is, I put all, that is a local one partition.